Dear parents, I am Colonel Amardeep and I am the director of the Winning Edge Defence Academy, Dehradun. In this video, I am going to tell you about the Rashtriya Indian Military College and our program for preparation of the candidates for the December 2021 exam. RIMC is located in Dehradun. You are well aware. They take only boys and that too in class 8th only. The high selection rate of RIMC boys in NDA and Naval Academy and the prestige associated with the institute makes it very sought after institution as far as the parents are concerned, whose wards or the parents themselves are defense aspirants. Now the intake is twice in a year, as is shown on the screen in June, July, and December and January, and they take 50 boys who are studying in class 7, who are about to go to class 8 every year. The selection rate as far as the competition is concerned is very low, and the competition is nationwide and is very tough. So it is better that the child, once he is in class 6, he starts preparing for the RIMC. The eligibility criteria is very simple. The candidate should be between 11 and a half and 13 years of age according to the term that he is joining. In case he is joining in January, on 1st of Jan, this age group applies, and in case he is joining in the July batch, this is as on 1st of July. And maximum a candidate can have 3 attempts at the RIMC entrance exam. The selection process is a step-by-step process, not very complicated. There is a written exam, and the shortlisted candidates or the successful candidates in the written exam are called for the interview, and finally they are exposed to a basic medical test. Having gone through all these stages, a final merit list is prepared. State-wise merit list is there, and the candidate finally who crosses all the barriers, he will go to the RIMC. In the phase 1, the written exam, day 1 we have English and mathematics paper, and day 2 we have the general knowledge paper. We will discuss about these things later on. The maths paper is of 200 marks, the English paper is of 125 marks, and GK, which is a MCQ based exam, is of 75 marks. So that means a candidate has to prepare well. The preparation has to be all round, because all this is followed by an interview which is of 50 marks. He has to get minimum 50% marks in each paper to be qualified for the interview stage. So we have to be very particular about the written examination part. And mathematics, as you see, 200 marks, it takes the major chunk of the written exam preparation. The examination dates for this year, because of the ongoing pandemic, the June exam has been postponed to August, and the candidates with our institute are undergoing a crash course right now, which finishes on 31st of July. The RIMC 2 is tentatively scheduled for December 2021. You can visit the RIMC website or download our mobile application for the updates regarding the exam. The Winning Edge RIMC preparatory course. The 5 months preparatory course starts on 1st of July. We will take admissions till 7th of July, and it will go on till 5th of December 2021. This will be conducted in 2 parts. From 1st July to 15th October, we'll have the revision 1, and followed by a crash course of 45 days from 16th October onwards till 5th December. Even after that, we'll continue to be in touch with the candidates till the time the examination does not take place. The course fee, as mentioned, is 20,500. For defense personnel, the course fee is static at 17,500, which is inclusive of taxes, and which is for the 5 months course. Discounted fee, we have extended the discount offer till 8th of July. So if you are registering on or before 7th July, you need to only pay 17,500. And we have made it very simple. So many of the candidates and the parents are not convinced about the online mode of coaching. So we offer a 999 pack. That means the first month's classes up to 31st July, whenever you join, you can avail for only 999 rupees. And also, people who are not in a position to pay in lump sum, we have extended the part payment option, and you can join the 5 months course by paying 5850 as the first installment, and the second and third installment will be paid in August and October. Now, about the conduct of the course will be conducted almost 6 days in a week, and from 1st July till 15th October, we'll be having two classes daily. 3 to 4 is the first period, and 4 to 5 is the second period. So the student can attend to their school, attend to their ongoing activities, and still can prepare for the RIMC course. The general question that I am asked is, my son is in class 6, can he join this course? Yes. If he is in class 7, can he join the course? Yes. It will give them a good start, especially with English and general knowledge, because that takes time to prepare. Other subjects like constitution, like essay writing, like basic mathematics, arithmetic and all, that also will give them a good standing. And next year, after taking a 6 months break, again the candidate, once he reaches class 7, can join us for 6 months, so that it gives him an edge over all others. And candidates who are in class 7th right now and they are serious about joining the Rashtriya Indian Military College, they should subscribe to this course. This course will be conducted online. The course right now also, the classes are going on the Winning Edge mobile application. Once you contact us, we will certainly let you know how to download this mobile application and what are the basic functioning. The candidates who are undergoing the demo classes as well as the crash course are very happy regarding the mobile application, because entire content of the classes is available to the candidates in the recorded form. So mobile application automatically records the classes and makes them available to the batch. So if the candidate joins us, he has the access to this mobile application and the video classes through the mobile app. Entire content is available on the mobile app. You have the access 24/7. You can go through the notes. You can go through the mock test in your own time also. Plus, we are also coming up with the video package. That video package also should be available by mid-August, and this will be also accessible to all the candidates who are undergoing this preparatory course. We have provisions for conducting doubt classes every week on Zoom, where the interactivity is slightly higher than the mobile application. Mobile application, only the instructor's video is available. Students can talk to the instructor by raising their hands. The updates and notifications are going to be available on the app. So in case your child is interested in joining RIMC, I would recommend that you please get in touch with me. My name is 𝐂𝐿, and in the link to this video in the description, you will find the contact number of the institute. You will find the link to the website. You will also find the link for registration for this course. All options will be there: 999, 17,500, as well as 5850, depending on your choice. We wish the candidates great success in the days to come. You must prepare. You must prepare under able guidance. We have the best faculty in the country, because in online mode you have the privilege and you have the flexibility of getting the best teachers from across the country. So Mr. Daljindar, Mr. Arpit, and Mr. Kranti, we have three instructors. We are guided by Colonel Best. I am there as part of the training team. So we will give and deliver a very wholesome package to the candidate. So I will just say and repeat few things again. The RIMC exam that is scheduled in December this year, the 5 months preparatory course is starting from 1st of July, and you have multiple modes of payment, multiple options of joining this course. And even if you want to attend one or two demo classes, kindly get in touch with me. We'll make sure that the child is absolutely comfortable with the teachers. The online mode is the in thing, as you're all aware, and we expect you to share. Even if this video is not of immediate use to you, it certainly will be of some use to the parents, your colleagues, your neighbors, friends, and in your circle. So please feel free to share this video. We want good candidates to have good guidance, and this will only help them in a better level of preparation. We'll keep them motivated, we'll keep them focused, and we'll keep them also updated with whatever is happening. In case the exam gets postponed, we'll take care of that. I'm sure this video is going to clarify a lot of frequently asked questions that come to the parents' mind time and again. Please feel free to contact me at 8279908864. That is the official number of my company. And you can certainly mail us, you can contact us through the website also. So we are waiting for you. This video is for the parents who wish that their children will wear the defense officer's uniform someday. Thank you. This is 𝐃𝐽𝐺𝐵, Director of the Winning Edge Defense Academy, 𝐽𝐺𝐵, Dehradun, signing off. Jai Hind.